bought, sold, or traded crypto. The IRS wants to know. Reporting it correctly in TurboTax is essential to stay compliant. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You'll report this in the Investment Income section. Even if you used an exchange like Coinbase, you must report each transaction. TurboTax will ask if you had any cryptocurrency transactions. Answer yes. For simple buying and selling, you'll enter the proceeds from sales and your cost basis, what you paid for it. This calculates your capital gain or loss. If you had more complex activity like earning staking rewards, that's reported as other income. My crucial pro tip: import your transactions directly. Many major exchanges partner with TurboTax. Look for the Import option to connect your exchange account and pull in all your transaction data automatically. This is far more accurate than trying to enter hundreds of trades by hand. Stay on the right side of the law and avoid penalties by reporting your crypto activity fully. Is crypto reporting your biggest tax headache? You're not alone. Share your thoughts below. For more guides on modern tax topics, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.